Double Asteroid Redirection Test is a NASA space mission aimed at testing a method of planetary defense against near-Earth objects. It will deliberately crash a space probe into the double asteroid Didymos moon, Dimorphos, to test how the momentum of a spacecraft impact could successfully deflect an asteroid on a collision course with Earth. DART is a joint project between NASA and the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, administered by NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office, with several NASA laboratories and offices providing technical support. International partners, such as the space agencies of Europe, Italy, and Japan, are contributing to related or subsequent projects. In August 2018, NASA approved the project to start the final design and assembly phase. DART was launched on 24 November 2021 at 6:21:02 UTC, with collisions slated for 26 September 2022. Originally, the European Space Agency and NASA had independent plans for missions to test asteroid deflection strategies, and by 2015 they struck a collaboration called AIDA involving two separate spacecraft launches that work in synergy. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.